everything in mainstream is changing. Few decades back, we did not have words like working from home or flexi timing or fusion food, outsourcing. So these are very new words. Today I happen to hear a word, a cross between a lion and tiger is called liger. I mean, this creation of words as hybrids, these are all straying or non-compliance to a mainstream system. So many times we have seen many things stray from the mainstream and a new system becomes created. So what is the right system to follow? Whether it's a social system, interactive system, professional system, economic system, educational system. We have today so many types of systems of education. Homeschool, where children prefer to stay in the house and study and just give an exam. Well, this is unthinkable a few decades back. So a lot of things are changing. Many things are changing and many mainstreams are becoming more and more flexible, and we are forced to start adapting to the changes. So what's the solution? So systems keeps changing and all the mainstream starts reinventing itself. So let's look at institutions. Many institutions does not seem to have delivered, whether it is judicial system or whether it is law implementation, industries, many systems have not delivered what they should be delivering. Maybe just to keep your city neat and tidy and clean. Even that system perhaps has not worked to its fullest. That's why we have civil societies. We have civil societies taking on some of the systems. So if this continues, if all systems starts becoming tweaked, then ultimately what happens? And that's where media is playing a role today. Today we see media is hands-on so many events happening in our society, where how people interact, even some of the processes and procedure of policy making is driven or impacted because of the assertion of the media. Mainly the media uses the public opinion. So that's the point I'm making. The public opinion has itself become a system. So many of the mainstream institutions have to reinvent itself, and when the mainstream institution starts reinventing itself, the media brings in its assertion into the public opinion. It changes public opinion, and the complex public opinion, the collective dimension of public opinion, it is full of complexities, and that becomes a system. And the future successful person, the success in the future, as a trend forecaster, I'm telling you, the success in the future will be somebody who can decode the complexity of collective public opinions. Now we need to make a study on collective complexity of public opinion as a system. Once we do that, as a matter of fact, the media is already succeeding in it to an extent. Now it has become structured, and that is where social media has opened up, because the electronic media and the print media, the mainstream media has become too much of a mainstream in driving the complexity of collective public opinion, that the social dimension, the social media, the internet media has taken its place. Now we are threatened, or many people are threatened by what is going on the internet media, on the social media. They feel that some of the messages are too critical or too negative to absorb, and therefore now we want to regulate it and again create a mainstream in the social media. So ultimately, what is the solution? The solution is to be a researcher or to study in depth the collective complexity of public opinion, because that seems to ultimately makes itself or transform itself into a system. And making that into a mainstream may not be too wise, because again there will be some people out of the mainstream who want to be heard, who want to be recognized, who want to be acknowledged out of the mainstream, because they do not think that they're doing something wrong, but they just cannot fit into a system or a mainstream that is decided by a few people who think that what they decide is the right way to be. Two things can happen. One is to be inclusive in the mainstream, making mainstream more inclusive of newer dimensions by transforming itself and allowing adaptability into the mainstream to a system that is existing outside the mainstream.